There are times when you're setting up a new project, you want to create several tracks and then name them all independently, and you'd like to be able to do this all fairly quickly. Well, Cubase, of course, has a way. Let me show an example. I'm going to go and click the Add Track button here, and let me do a bunch of audio tracks. Let's say that these are a set of vocalists and a piano. So Add Track, and I'll just call this audio. Let's call it My Audio so you can know it's a little different. And I want to have 5 tracks for soprano, alto, tenor, bass, and a piano accompaniment. So we choose 5 and do Add Track. And there they are, My Audio 1, My Audio 2, 3, and 4. You'll see it took the name that you wrote, and it doesn't know the real final names you want, so it just appends numbers to each track. Okay, now I want to change that. And the normal way you would think you'd have to do involves a lot of moving your hand back and forth, the keyboard to the mouse to the keyboard. I would go to double click on the first one. I'll type soprano, then hit the enter key, then grab my mouse and then double click again and type tenor and so on and so forth. Really tedious. Well, a much easier way is using the tab key. And let me demonstrate. Okay, we have our 5 tracks, they're all set up. You will double click on the first one. I type in what it's called, and now I hit the tab key and it jumps down to the next one. I didn't have to move my fingers over to the mouse at all. So I just say tenor, tab, alto. Oh, I got this all wrong, didn't I? Alto. So what I want to do is fix that, and I will show you in a second. So I have soprano, tenor, alto, bass, and piano. And to go back up to the window fix is I'm going to hold on the Shift key and hit tab again. It goes up, 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 and there we are. I can now type tenor, and now I hit the enter key, and I have everything. And of course, I should put the tenor down below here in the right sequence, and we are all set, and it's quickly up and running. Check out my new course. It's called Cubase Overview: what it is, what it does, and what version to use.